How to mute message notifications from a certain person on Messenger. Hey there! In this video I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. When you open up your Messenger and you have a person that you've been talking to and you want the notification from them to be silent or to be muted so you don't get any notifications, all you need to do is open up the chat with them. Once you do that, click on the little eye icon on the top right. Here you can see mute. It's a little ringer icon, and when you click on it, you have three options: mute message notification, mute call notifications, mute messages and call notifications. If you want to mute everything from them, you just select the third option and select OK. Then you will be prompted to see for how many hours or minutes you want that to be muted. If you want it to be permanent until you change it back, you just select until I change it. Then select OK. And once you have done all of that, you won't receive any more notifications that that person has messaged you. It will still pop up on your message feed right here on the top when they message you, but you won't be receiving any sound notifications or any top notifications as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.